Believe it or not, birds love peanuts, so providing a peanut feeder is an easy way to attract birds to your yard. You'll need wood, hardware cloth, threaded rod, nuts and washers, lock nuts, wood screws, staples, wire, and a turnbuckle. Following the directions, cut out 2 base pieces and 2 top pieces using either a jigsaw or band saw. Then drill a 1/8 inch hole through the center of each. Attach the hardware cloth around the outside of the smaller base piece and sew the ends together with wire. Then attach the larger base piece to the smaller with wood screws. Do the same with the 2 top circles. Thread a nut and washer onto the rod approximately 2 inches. Feed the rod through the hole in the base assembly, leaving a 1/4 inch of the rod exposed at the bottom. Use a washer and lock nut to secure the rod in place. Slide the top assembly down onto the rod and attach a 3 1/4 inch turnbuckle. Now all you have to do is fill it with peanuts, hang it in a likely spot, and wait for the birds to flock in.